Here's a TikTok hack I bet you didn't know. If you have a small business, you can use TikTok ads to reach new customers. It's really easy to create videos right in the app, and even if you have a small budget, you can actually see results. Click here to sign up and start growing your business.
Hello guys, and welcome to today's tutorial video. In this video, I'll present to you the opportunity to create a professional looking website for free. And yes, you heard that right, for free, by the free website guys. And not just that, but an opportunity to make an extra income as well through their commission structures. If you are a business owner or a prospective business owner and would like to create a professional website to get your business soaring to greater heights, but do not have the necessary budget for it, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll help you establish your online presence with this fantastic opportunity by one of the leading game changers in the web hosting space, the free website guys. You may be wondering who are the free website guys and why are they offering such a great opportunity for free. The free website guys are a web hosting program for business owners, and they are offering this opportunity for free as they are looking to forge lasting and meaningful relationships with business owners. They are looking to grow with your business and envision taking your business to greater heights because they have an objective or they envision your business using them in larger paid projects in the future once it expands or soars to greater heights. If you are interested in seizing this particular opportunity, then let's dive right in and start bringing your magic to light. You will notice that I have two tabs open on the screen comprising of the comprehensive guide on how to proceed creating your free professional looking website on the free website guys platform. And I also have an IT Plus Solutions complete set of blog posts. If this blog posts were meaningful to you, consider regularly checking out our blog as there might be more posts likewise. So to get started, you will need to apply for the free website on the free website guys official site in just less than 2 minutes, and they will revert back. If you are on this particular blog here, if you are on this particular blog post, you can go and click right there on the actual image itself to go and start creating your website. Or if you would like to go directly to the website from this particular video, then you can click on the link that is just in the description box below to take you to the free website guys and start applying for your free professional looking website and getting your business soaring to greater heights. So I'm going to demonstrate this video using the blog. So if you go through this blog post, you will notice that it has a comprehensive information or comprehensive guide on how to go about creating your free website today. So if I click on this particular image or on that particular link right there, it will take me straight to the free website guys official site, and I can just start applying for my free professional looking website. Once you get here, you'll click on apply. And then you will notice that once you click on apply, there will be a series of steps that you need to go through in order to let the free website guys know what kind of a website you'd like to create and how to assist you in getting your business flying high. So in this first step, you need to describe what type of a website you need to create. So in this case, I'm just going to say e-commerce. And then I'm just going to click on OK. And then on your first name, you also need to insert your name. Click on OK. And then you need to go and provide them with your email address as well. So I'm just gonna provide one of my email addresses and click on OK as well. And then you also need to go and insert or provide your mobile contacts. So I'm just gonna do that as well. And then the fifth step is asking you whether you have a web hosting already. If you have, you can go and say yes. If you don't, then you can go and say no, I do not have, and click on submit. And just like that, your application will be submitted after these 5 steps. There you go. Your application is submitted, and you will notice that once you go to your inbox, you will get an email from the free website guys indicating to you that your application was successfully submitted, and they will revert back to you. Now, getting onto the commission structures, you can also earn yourself some free bucks with the free website guys by inviting your friends to apply for the free website on this free website guys platform. If you know of anyone who would like to create a website, who has a business and would like to bring their business to light, who has an idea and would like to bring their idea to light but do not have the necessary funds for that, then you can provide them with this opportunity and earn yourself some commission as well. So for you to do that, you'll notice that once you apply for this particular opportunity, then you can also start referring people to this particular opportunity as well. So you will just use your particular link in order to go and refer people to create the website and start earning yourself some free bucks as well. I hope this video helps you and your business soar to greater heights, as we know that a great website means a greater business presence and success. To help us grow and continue providing you with beneficial videos such as this, please consider helping the channel grow by dropping us a comment, a like, a subscription, and sharing this particular video with your loved ones. We appreciate it and see you soon.
Sometimes, the only thing more difficult than running a business is finding the right words to market it. Lucky for you, our new AI content generator doesn't sweat words. Just tell it what you want to create, enter a few details, click Generate Content, and in just seconds it'll give you options to build from or leave as is. Writer's block? Not anymore. With artificial intelligence doing the wordsmithing for you, you can craft the perfect message in the blink of an AI.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe.